Yeah.
Blue yesterday, right?
Yeah. Hey guys, it is day 2 in the Bahamas. We are wearing our blue bathing, our teal blue bathing suits today. And I am wearing mine from Opali. Miriam's is from Pretty Little Thing, and Niecy's is from Pretty Little Thing. So yes, you guys, I have to put on my lips and, you know, blend this out real quick. But what I was about to say, oh yeah, so I'm in a dilemma with which cover up I want to wear. I wish I would have thought to just bring shorts, but I didn't even think of that. I have my black cover up, you guys seen this before, but I don't think this would go with this. But then I have my white one, which would be perfect, which originally was supposed to go with this, but we're gonna have to keep taking it on and off for pictures, and I'm not gonna walk around with, you know, everything just out and about in the Bahamas. So I don't know what I may do more convenient or what actually looks the best. So I'll keep y'all updated. The copyright is going on downstairs, so once we get outside and around everybody else, I'll show y'all everybody else's outfit and catch y'all up with what we are doing. Okay guys, so we're all out here. Y'all know I'm a visionary for creative stuff. I have been hired to do, I'm just playing y'all, but I actually have been hired to do video shoots and pictures for people. Speaking of, I'm doing a maternity shoot when I get back. But yeah, so we're all out here and we're gonna do like a pose back shot for the first idea, and then yeah, so I'm gonna get you all right.
Be right here. Yeah, can we go like small?
I'm also going based off colors, so you come right in the middle right here. Who else has like this-ish? You. Keesha. You don't want to be in the picture? Okay. Okay, well you come right here. Let's get it.
Don't block me. Range of colors, you trying to mix this?
I'm trying to not have everybody with the same color all on one side and everybody else with the same color on the opposite. Yeah, because you got that blue. I got this blue. Okay guys, so we just finished with pictures. Ashley, not the birthday girl, Ashley. I should be paying her for these photos, y'all. Every picture y'all see on the gram is courtesy of Ashley. She literally slayed my life. I'm so happy for these pictures. Oh gosh.
Next one. Okay, airdrop. That's what else.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Johnny, play the music.
Huh?
Next.
There's so much I can do right now.
This is what we're doing before going to the fish fry.
It's really not a lot. Come on.
And it's some juice. It ain't even.
It ain't crazy.
Yeah, it's like orange juice with like a dab of whatever. I don't know because I didn't see them make it.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh.
Line it up, line it up. Line it up, line it up. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Take 2.
That was perfect on camera too.
Is it nasty? Y'all, so far Bahamas has been my favorite place to travel to. I love Jamaica, but I really like, I love Bahamas. Like, they're so nice here.
Cigars.
Inside ladies or outside?
Yeah, we can do inside. Hey everybody. Hi.
Wherever you want to see, darling. Pick your seat, baby.
Wherever we want to see, darling. Booths. Oh, it's kind of cold now.
I know it is cold in here, but I wanted some crab legs. Do y'all have that in here?
Exactly. I feel like we could have like looked around. Ashley, did you want to eat or did you want to look around?
This is how we get us.
Okay, like how do we get here?
We just walked complimentary and got us.
Oh, I thought it was 3 shots.
Let's just walk out. Let's walk the strip first and make sure. Let's not just get the first thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, sorry. We'll come back. It's just the best menu.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna walk around and then come right back.
That's what I got a taste for.
Yo, they got us. Oh my gosh. They ain't playing no games with these name titles. Oh yeah, we do need to sit inside because it is burning up. Dang. Ladies, everybody is so beautiful. You're welcome. You okay? Be careful, it's glass out here.
What do they have?
Conch fritters, burgers, seafood wrap, chicken wrap.
That's like that's that specialty here.
Yeah.
Conch.
It's like going to Atlanta for wings.
Yeah.
That comes made the best wings. Yeah. That comes.
What I'm gonna do for you today?
Is it this right here? This is where you taking up?
No, the one in the back on the water. But you guys get complimentary. If you want to come inside, you can come inside. But you was answering me with a real deal.
Is this the?
Yeah, I want the real deal with the free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi, restrooms, credit cards, peas and rice, fish, shrimp, corn gloves, the group of fried plantain, baked macaroni, curry chicken, jerry chicken, mixed drinks.
All of that? Okay. You got drinks too?
He said come.
Look, yummy.
And they do a birthday, so come on.
And they do birthday special?
Happy birthday, may God bless you.
He said happy birthday, may God bless you. Taking it to the back bag. He talking about on the water. That's the water he talking about? Look at him. They are so funny here. They will sell you a dream. Look what they said.
He wanted us to pass it back to see his twins.
Oh, he wanted us to see his twins. Oh, I have twins too. He said, look, Ash, he said we about to be eating on the water. Look at the water.
I can't.
They will sell you a dream in Bahamas. You come here to get sold a dream. They'll tell you anything. He's so cute, y'all. He said pass his back to see his twins. I'm gonna let him see my girls too. Babe has been sending me, I've been FaceTiming them, and actually you guys, I've been holding up. I had a little moment last night, but babe, you know, FaceTime me. Here you go, sir. I got twins too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you them.
Alright.
Can you make sure our friends?
Look.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure of them. Yeah.
This is my twin daughters. They're 8 months. They'll be 9 months soon. Yeah, thank you.
This the fun part when they can't move.
Yeah, they're
Yes,
change.
That's the
Yes.
fun part there. When
Yes.
they get big and you put them in the bed, you
Oh yes, they're doing it
When
now.
you put them in the bed, when they get big enough, as soon as you put one in the bed, the last one comes.
Yep, coming over. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is what I got. The options it wasn't that many edible options for me on the menu, but I like this. A lot of people got pastas and stuff like that, but I'll tell y'all how it is.
All right, everybody, it's nap time. Mama. They ain't really nobody out their presents. All right, I'm finna go ahead and put them to sleep for they nap. Mama, we right here, okay? Keesha, come home. All right, y'all, so the girls still asleep. They're taking their nap. Are they up now? Yeah, I swear y'all just be smelling me. I tried to sneak in here as quiet as I could, and y'all just had to wake up. Say, hey, I just woke up from my nap. Say, hey everybody, I just woke up from my nap at my crib. You see yourself, mama? You like how pretty you look? Did you like your nap? Did you enjoy your nap, baby? Huh? Huh, angel face? Wait. Huh? Alright, y'all, so I tried to sneak in here. As y'all can see, I even started the recording outside the door. I was hoping that I was gonna at least still try to get some more sleep, but like I told y'all yesterday, it's like they be smelling it. Like, it's like they sense it so strong, like when it comes to their parents. Like they literally just woke up. They literally just woke up like soon as I opened the door. It's so crazy. It's so, hey mama. Yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna try to walk out and see if they cry. Oh my goodness. Mama. Mama. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jiya Bell. Jiya Bell, you just not coming to your senses of what's going on? Huh? Put her over a little bit, bro. I don't want her to sway the other way. You sitting there like a big girl?
She said that's good.
Huh, Jiya Bell? Jiya Bell. You still trying to calculate everything going on?
She come out of just sitting up.
Hey, mama.
Good. Yeah, but I think I'm saying I got to take the whole thing off right here to get this.
Are you picking out an outfit that you like? Huh? Cause you went straight to the outfits.
Hey.
You like this? You like this outfit, mama? You want to put this on? Yeah, she like that outfit. Journey, which one you like?
Go to it.
You gonna go to it, mama?
Get
Huh?
to it. Get to it.
You gonna go to it?
Get to it. Yeah. Get to it.
Journey. Journey. You gonna pick your outfit out, mama? Yeah, come on. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. I'm sorry, you like to do stuff on your own time. I'm sorry, let me just not say nothing. Let you just do it. Jiya. Jiya. You want to eat up all this stuff too? Which one you like, Journey? You hear grandma back there? She ain't leave you. Let me see if you need to be changed. Nah, she probably don't. She probably just peed, if anything. The Journey. You need to be changed. No, mama, you not gonna eat up on clothes now. We ain't finna eat up on Pat. Thank you, Pat, for all these wonderful clothes for my babies. That's your other outfit you want? You wanna see how I look? Having so much fun with daddy while mommy's gone. Daddy's letting me eat all the clothes I want. Jiya Bell, daddy let me do whatever I want. Cause you the boss. Yeah, you. I love you. Say dada. Dada. One of y'all give me dada. Both of y'all already said it. So one of y'all give me a dada. Dada. You see how pretty y'all are? You like your pretty angel face, mama? And so you hear your grandma, huh? You know she coming, don't you? Don't you? These are my cubs. I'm the lion of the jungle. Jiya want to feed herself now, y'all. She don't want nobody to feed her. Go ahead, mama. Johnny got that hand on her mouth to buy time to her next spoon.
She put it in there so quick. That's
what I said. She do it to buy time.
Like she don't want to play.
Yeah, she gonna end up making a mess.
Mm-hmm.
She was putting it in her mouth at first.
She got it everywhere, man. Don't let you have that.
She is not trying to eat.
She just want to play and see what she do.
No. No.
I'm gonna see what she gonna stick it in her hand. Stick it in her mouth.
Come on, Mom. There we go.
Get up.
Yeah, she don't want to eat it.
She don't like it.
Yeah. You don't like it?
She don't like
I'm gonna go walk. I'm gonna get something for her.
Crazy out here. This guy literally just drove by in this huge truck that's at the end of the street, stopping in front of us, talking about he's gonna risk it all.
I guess that's when you taking the hold on the
It's already hard, man. Yeah, niggas cashing out.
Y'all, I didn't even tell y'all. So while we was there, the table literally tipped over and my whole entire lemonade drink fell on me. Like, all over my whole entire bathing suit. And on top of this, it was such an emergency. I went to the bathroom and like kept squirting like hand soap in my hands, and I gave this a whole wash. It's still wet. They tried to dry it for me and let it hang outside while we were eating, but it's still very wet and like itchy on my skin, so trying to wait for it to dry off. But we're walking to the beach now. Y'all, he said it's somebody trying to ride a jet ski. Oh, they got it right there. How much is it? Y'all!
Where y'all trying to go?
It's right here. We can go, just go ask them right there. It's right there.
30 and 30 or 60 per person.
Go together, you 30.
Oh, let's do it.
Ready?
Oh! You said relax. Thank you.
When the nigga hit you with 60, you hit the nigga with 40.
I don't know, 60 is a lot.
Oh, because that's what y'all really wanted to pay was 50.
No. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. That nigga said $1. I said 50 cents. You feel me?
Yeah. Oh, that's how it go?
I thought 60 was cheap.
He said he don't care if it was $1. You gotta still get with the lingo. Look at Ashley.
I mean, look
Just do 45. 45.
Look at all these. Look at all these.
Look at Ashley trying to get people in.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
$40 per jet ski for my birthday.
40, baby.
Well, so y'all rather not do 40 with all these people?
Yeah, we rather not. We can't.
And then just walk around because nobody's out here.
We can't.
Somebody wants to go me, I'll be just comfortable.
Yeah, baby. We can't.
Okay, no,
Big
seriously.
ass group. I know niggas want to make some money. Yeah, that's it. We trying to put money in y'all pocket.
50? Okay, 50. We won. 50 it is. He just said he was trying to get to the 50. Miriam, you riding? 25. You riding?
I'm down. I'm down.
Oh, I'm not riding. Oh, I can't do that.
You need to figure out who's all riding first. Who's all
You're not riding? Okay, I'm gonna stay with you, Ashley.
You're riding.
Because I'm not riding. Yeah. I'll do y'all video from the land. Everybody give me y'all phones and I'll do y'all videos from the land. That's how you.
And they don't even.
Yeah, I can't swim. I got 2 kids at home. They need me.
You recording it?
They need me.
They need me.
Shade. I know. She said, look at her. Y'all, she is over here twerking and grinding. I guess I'm assuming they're not doing it either since they over there. She got the moves, girl. They gonna probably hire you.
Right.
Okay, we on, y'all. Actually, you still got all these drinks. You don't need to be driving. Oh, 50 people no matter what. If you ride, everybody needs to still pay 50. You riding? Oh, really? Yeah. Y'all, y'all. One of the girls just, is it Kia? I can't pronounce Kia. She fell in the water, you guys. I mean, she's good, but see, this is exactly why I just don't know. Who all fell, Ashley?
Keesha, Journie, Tyrus. Oh, Giselle.
Why? Because it was too fast?
No, because Tyrus was driving crazy. You didn't know.
Oh my God. And he's talking about trying to convince me to ride with him. Talking about, oh, I got you. No, boy, you would have killed me. Everybody has to do these again. Basketball wise. Ready. No, we're not ready. Hold on.
We can share videos.
Nobody never shared them. They never did. All right. I'm ready. I just want to say thanks y'all for coming out to my 21st. I'm drunk and that's good that I'm drunk because we're in the Bahamas. Okay. I just want to thank y'all for coming out to my 25th birthday. It means so much to me that literally I have like my closest friends here. Like nobody really can pull this off. This big of a girl trip off. Like nobody can pull this off, and we did it. Everybody came through, and I love y'all. I know I don't tell y'all, but I love y'all, and thanks. That's right, girl. They played your song.
That is my. Okay, guys. So this is a night life of day 2. Everybody be looking good now, cause it's in vlog. Yeah, we're all wearing our yellow, and everybody's looking at us like, where the heck are they going? And we're going to Senor Frogs. So yeah, we're about to eat. What we gotta pull out? Oh, RD. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back. Not everybody, but we're back. Like, I was so tired that I fell asleep at dinner waiting for our food because I'm just so tired these days. Miriam talking about she's going straight to sleep. Enough is enough. And Nisi, a lot of them actually stayed. Only 5 of us came back. We had to wake up very early in the morning, you guys, to go do the pig thing, which y'all are gonna see next. But anyways, y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. She's talking about something in the water hot. Where? Y'all, I am shivering.
No, it feels good like that. My hands are
Okay, guys.
snapping his hands.
So me and Ashley have a very complex story of how we met.